What is going on YouTube? Modeling Up back at you here. Today for your reviewing pleasure, I have a decal sheet from Furball, Aero Design, Decals and Scale, or Details and Scale. This is for the F-100D Super Saber. So, was able to pick up a kit at a local swap meet for, I think like $5, $10, something like that. Decals weren't the best, so went out looking and fell in love with this set. As you can see, it has a plethora of marking options. So let's go ahead and get into it here. Start off, we'll pull our instruction booklet out, which is basically just multiple sheets of paper. And I will go ahead and lock this in up here. So as you can see, colorful colors and markings of the U.S.A.F. Super Sabres. There we go. So we have in here the 416th Tactical Fighter Squadron. This one was from 1965. I am not going to try to pronounce the Arvin bases that they served at. 416th. This aircraft, I believe, was just named Ellen. So, not too much in the way of markings. We have 416th here. So you can see the tail numbers on those if you want to look up any one in particular. 416th again. This one's from 1966. Has the nice old school skull in the old style of hat, or flight hat. So also have a Snoopy that was originally painted on and then was marked over with the Snoopy, I should say, because he had his kill markings. And then 307th here from 1966. And get a good shot of actual aircrafts themselves. You can pause as you wish. Then we have the 307th Tactical Fighter Squadron from 1966 with the very nice shark's teeth. We'll see him in a moment on the decals. It has some nice blood stains as well, so a nice touch on that. This one's actually what got me to go ahead and pick up the kit, which is a 481st from 1965. Love the Snoopy on the front, so went with that one. We then have the Shadow here, which is a 1965 bird from the 481st. Also from that is Pretty Penny, which is a nice, I guess you could call it more modern style of pinup for the birds. And then we get into our stencil data, which is nice that it has all of the stencil data with this. So we have our pylon markings, we then have the underside fuselage markings, everything like that, and then tops as well, and then some links to some reference material that they do, or that they offer as well on the F-100 Super Saber. So, taking a look at the decal sheet itself, these things look really nice. Now, I have not personally had experiences, with Furball. And also, I do want to note, this is part one. They do obviously offer other markings for the F-100. So we'll start kind of down here in the lower corner. Take a look here. We got all of your stencil markings. Everything is clear, legible. All of the fine print is really, really nice. Again, pulling out a magnifying glass, you can actually read it, which is awesome. Pylon decals here in the corner. Random number stenciling, which is for the different aircraft. So, looks like a bunch of gibberish numbers, but it's actually legit. But I do like the fact that they also then include individual number sheets. So you get past 63285, and then you just get into extra numbers. So if you are putting the decals down, one goes a little awry, you have a way to kind of come back from it. So see the nice blood on the teeth and all of the other markings. So Overall, really like the decal sheet. Didn't know what to expect again, not having purchased any other decals from this manufacturer, so hopefully they go down well. If anybody has experience with Furball, definitely post up and let me know and let everybody else know kind of how the experience was. But hopefully you guys like this quick review of the F-100 Super Saber Colorful Markings Part 1. This is Decal Sheet from 2020. Catch you guys later.